In this video, we'll show you how to replace the skid shoes on your Greenworks 22-inch snow thrower. This guide can be followed for all 60-volt and 80-volt models. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. The battery should always be removed before performing any maintenance. Customers are also encouraged to wear safety gloves. Tools required. You will need a 10mm wrench. Let's get started. The unit comes with 2 skid shoes, one on each side of the impeller housing. Over time, these will become worn and will need to be replaced. Tilt the unit back so it's resting on the handle. The skid shoes are held in place by 2 bolts. Remove the nuts and washers using a 10mm wrench. Discard the worn skid shoe and replace with a new one. Put the washers back on and tighten the nuts. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Properly maintained, your Greenworks snow thrower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.